I hope you feel
They
good.
hear that.
Right? Guys, we just made it to somewhere you wouldn't believe we just made it to. And look what the tuk-tuk we drove. That shit crazy, right? That tuk-tuk is crazy. So, well, y'all just heard $5.
Each size each.
They got a whole fire. You okay? You can lean back if you want to there. Not the dog walking across.
Yeah.
Right. That's the jungle. Can't fucking stay away from rain, bro, I tell you. Got hit by branches. They got soaked in the rain.
That's not if you ain't going.
Just took us for a shower. Oh, look at the puppies.
Hello.
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 Oh, perfect.
Yeah, sorry sir, missing tip driver.
What's good, YouTube, man? It's your boy and your girl Z-Ski, and we outside in Bottom Bang. Nighttime walk, literally walking the city. Everybody's outside, children outside. They got the buff guys over there doing the pull-ups on some Kendrick Lamar shit. But that's what's going on right now. We outside. So we about to just see what's going on. I'll show y'all the views around here. Damn, I'm thinking like really on the camera. I'll show y'all the views around here. I'm not trying to hold my arm up this long because I still don't got my pod. So that's what it is. About to see what's going on.
It's right next to each other.
Dude, we just ran into a place that had fried chicken. I'm gonna spell it out on the camera. And this is how they spelled it. Don't think I'm making fun of nobody, no. This is what they should say.
Because right next to it, it says fried chicken.
Yeah. I'm trying to see if I can find it again. Hello! Bro, it said fried chicken, like children.
Chicken is right here.
Chicken.
And then the French fried.
And then it was like, bro, it's crazy out here. It's real crazy out here. It's dark outside. We walking. You see me?
Picking the bottle now.
So we might just make our way back to the crib. Make our way back to the crib. Back to the hotel. We ain't really that far. He was trying to find us something, but it's gonna be pretty hard to find anything out here. So we might just call it a night, guys, and just wrap it back up.
I just need something else.
Cause we've been walking this street for a minute, and
it's getting
right
outside.
because the child just walked up and grabbed the whole drink from
said
Z.
Hello and just
And
said,
just grabbed the drink.
I'm like, what they pointing at? They pointing at the camera. Oh, I said, okay.
Right? I don't have that part on camera, but I do got him holding our drink. And y'all gonna see the same drink that we ate the food with. Yeah, it's funny. But yeah, that's what happened.
Yeah,
We just took the drink, and why not give it to him?
Open it.
Right? He don't really care about it. But that was just funny to see. Like, I thought he was pointing at the camera because I was holding the camera in my other hand and he was holding, right next to each other. So when he pointed, it was like,
I didn't know.
like, oh,
then
but then he walked up.
He just walked up.
He just walked up.
Dude walked up. Thank you.
Thank you. Dude walked up.
He walked up and slowly.
Like, just.
I said, oh, that's my drink. He like, oh, I don't care.
Mine now. I think it's mine now. So, yeah, man, it's been pretty rough out here. I ain't gonna lie. I don't know if Cambodia is being for everybody. Might be able to get some here. What time it closed?
6 p.m. Wait, that's happy hour.
But guys,
that's it.
we gonna wrap it up tonight. We see if they have any of this in the room. Y'all ain't gonna see. We about to go to the room though. But we see y'all on the other side.
My bitch Mazda throwing out all Roxy's. Diamonds like a bag of Taki, different color stones. Henny from the back, I'm trying to dislocate her bones. It's just some things in this life you better off not knowing. I lost 2 homies out in Houston, better off not going. My mama said it's bad to stay, I gave up on my prayers. I sick, my dog got caught on me and I was not there. That shit eating me up in my stomach.